Okay, so at the fantastic suggestion of someone to do this as a live video instead of recording it and trying to upload it, we're gonna try this out. I've never done anything on Facebook Live before. So I'm gonna do a live paint pour. I'm gonna get all my stuff ready here, and then we'll get right in it. I don't know how long this will take. Hopefully not too long. Okay, so I'm in my garage where it's a little chilly, but we're gonna do our paint pour here and we'll see how it goes. I'm gonna be using silver for the first time. I've never used a metallic, so I'm kind of excited about that. We'll see how it goes. I also have a really interesting contraption that I made out of my kids' Legos to hold my phone up because I don't have anything to hold my cell phone up. So we'll be using that too. All right, and I think today we're gonna use a really dark purple. I'm gonna do a green, a pink, silver, and a little bit of black. Hey Shannon, I see you. Okay, so let's see if I can get my phone to sit up on here. This is my little fancy stand that I made out of Legos. Let's see if we can do this here. All right, so I won't be able to see any comments or anything, but at least you guys will be able to see what I'm doing. I hope a little bit. The lighting is also not super great in here. I gotta get this thing kind of level. Push pins are not the best, but they work. That will be good enough. All right, so here's my colors. And let's get to pouring. What do I want to do first? I think first I'll probably put on gloves. All right, so I'm going to do something I've never tried before. So this could come out really terrible, or it could be amazing. We'll see which one it is. And that's a flip cup. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put all of the paint that I'm going to use into this cup. I'm going to turn the canvas over and flip it upside down and then remove the cup. So it should be interesting, if nothing else. So we'll start with a little bit of black. And I think I want to go pink. Hopefully that doesn't smush together too much, we'll see. And then silver, which I've never used before, so I'm hoping this comes out nice. What do I want to do next? I think we'll go green. And then purple. And we'll go back with a little bit of black. Not gonna lie, it makes me just a little bit nervous to try a new thing live, but we're gonna go for it. And I know it seems like I'm using a lot of paint, but hopefully I've got the right amount. I'm still new at this, so I'm still learning. So sometimes I waste some and sometimes I don't. I think we're gonna go with that. Okay, guys. Get my paints out of the way. sit for a minute. And I have this. This was runoff from another painting that I just did, a huge 12 by 36 one. So if I need to, I can put this around the edges so that the paint I have here and that's in the cup, once it's out, it can flow better over the sides, and I won't have to tilt it so much and possibly mess up my design. All right. I'm gonna mess this up a little bit just because I want to. Table's not 100% level either. I don't know that I'll even need too much of this, if any. Oh my gosh, you guys, some of this stuff looks so awesome already. Oh, I love this. Before I even bring this up, I want to show you guys this green and purple section. Amazing. Okay, let's put you back. Hopefully this phone doesn't fall. All right. And I'm going to use a little bit of this stuff around the edges. This was just runoff paint from another painting that I overdid it on the actual paint part of it. I'm just gonna get this. This will just help it move towards the edges. And run off the sides a little better, because I really like finished sides. I like when the sides kind of match the painting a little bit. I don't like blank spots. That drives me nuts. So hopefully most of the runoff will just be this gray and not the paint that I poured in the cup. All right. I think that should do it. I think that should do it. All right. Tilting time. Let me also get my heat gun out a little bit. I think I'm gonna zap this really quick. This will make the air bubbles pop, and it will also bring out some more cells, which are these little bubbles of color that come through. And I'm starting to lose it on this side, so I'm going to start tilting, actually. And hopefully there's not too much glare. Oh yeah, there's a lot of paint on this canvas. Bring that back to the middle a little bit. I don't want to lose all this awesome stuff that's happening with this green over here. I think it might happen anyway. Onto the edge. Oh, so far so good. And now I'm just going to kind of shimmy it around a little bit and get it back into a position that I like. The silver kind of took over a little. Do I like it or do I not like it? I feel like I need to get rid of some of this paint on this side. Okay. Oh, this is nice. I like it. I like it, guys. Looks good. The silver mixed with this black and made this like beautiful metallic black. All right, and I don't think I'm gonna have any blank spots on my edges, but this is where I like to start to look for that, just in case. Okay, and then I'll bring you guys down for a close-up. Now, this painting could change drastically, well, not drastically, but quite a bit while it sits. So hopefully that doesn't happen too much. And this is going to be kind of difficult to show you guys because I can't see the screen. I don't know how to flip the camera around, but we'll try. So here's the painting close up. What do you think? I'm loving this corner. So there it is, you guys. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you like it. And yeah, that's about it. Thank you guys so much for watching.